How to restore deleted files in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you a few different ways to get them back depending on how they were deleted. First, check the recycle bin, since this is where most deleted files end up. Double-click the recycle bin icon on your desktop to open it. From there, find the file you want to restore, right-click on it, and select Restore. It will go right back to its original location. After that, if you emptied the recycle bin or the file isn't showing up there, you can try File History if it was set up on your PC. Click the Start button, open the Settings app, click System, then click About, and check if File History was previously configured for backups. If it was, search for Restore Files from File History in the Start menu, and you'll be able to browse through backed up versions of your folders and files. Following this, if neither of those options work, you may need third-party recovery software to scan your drive for recoverable files, especially if the file was permanently deleted some time ago. Finally, keep in mind that the longer you wait and the more you use your PC after deleting a file, the lower the chances of fully recovering it, so it's best to act quickly. That's how you restore deleted files in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.